In a dramatic and unprecedented escalation, Yemen's Houthi rebels claimed responsibility for a hypersonic missile strike on Tel Aviv, framing it as a retaliation for Israel's recent airstrike in Qatar. Well, according to the Houthi resources, that particular group deployed a Palestine 2 missile targeting very sensitive area in Jaffa. You know what? If this move is confirmed, then this would mark Yemen as the first Arab actor to respond militarily following the controversial Doha strike. The attack highlights the expanding regional reach of Yemen's missile capabilities and a signal that a dangerous new chapter in the Middle East conflict has just begun. Well, the Houthis, they didn't stop at missiles. They also claimed a coordinated drone assault on Yemen airport, located near Eilat in southern Israel, indicating that their retaliation campaign may be multi-pronged, aimed at both civilians and strategic sites. Here, experts suggest that this marks a worrying shift. A non-state actor now openly conducting cross-border attacks using advanced weaponries, raising questions about Israel's security preparedness and the broader implications for the regional stability. But also, the timing and targets, very important here. Tel Aviv, Israel's commercial and technological hub, and Jaffa, historically very sensitive and densely populated area, represent both symbolic and strategic points. In the meantime, Yemen Airport is a crucial infrastructure hub for Israel's southern region, linking the particular country to international air traffic and tourism. Now, by striking these locations, the Houthis are sending a clear message here. The message that retaliation is not limited to a symbolic display but could disrupt daily lives and key operations. And let's say that strikes also underscores Qatar's rising geopolitical influence here. While Doha has traditionally maintained a very neutral diplomatic profile, Israel's alleged action over there appears to have triggered a chain reaction among allied actors in the region. By the way, with the Houthis stepping into the particular fray, the incident amplifies tensions across the Gulf and the Red Sea corridor, where multiple states and non-actors are already engaged in overlapping conflict. And as of now, Israel has not confirmed the full extent of the damage, though there are reports that are indicating that there was heightened alert across major cities. Airports observers warn that these developments could destabilize an already very fragile Middle East, with the potential for wider escalation involving multiple countries and armed groups as well.